welcome back to another CVS video. This is a small haul, guys. I promise you this is not going to take more than 10 minutes tops, okay? I made a little baby transaction yesterday because I wasn't going to spend all of that money. I wasn't in the mood for spending money. All I wanted to use was the CRTs that I got with my coupons and call it a day. So the soft soap and the soft soap, hand soap, and the Irish Spring three pack bar soap. They are on a promotion for $3 each. When you buy three, you get a $3 extra buck. The CoverGirl this week is buy two get six, but I have three. The Jawa Cosmetics, this wasn't advertised. It's buy two. I believe you get a $6 extra buck. No, spend 12, get a $6 extra buck, or a 8. No, spend 12, get an $8 extra buck. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys what I did. So for the CoverGirl, I purchased three of them. Let me show you guys the receipt and talk through it with you. So this CoverGirl was $7.29. Three of them subtotal $21.87. I used three of the $3 off one coupon that came in Sunday's inserts. I also had a free cosmetic CRT on my account that took $4.29 off. I had this $4 CoverGirl CRT from last week. I think it printed for everyone. Mine was still on my account. I rolled $2 in extra bucks. It was lower to $1.77. I don't know why. That 3 cents in that 2% cash back. I paid $2.78 out of pocket. And I got $6 back for doing the Jawa. I have my little math going on here. So this was actually free. Where is it? Hold on. Where is that? That transaction was actually free, and $3.22 money maker. That's the only reason why I did this. It was gonna be a money maker. Now the second one I did was the Jawa Cosmetics. So I did the Jawa Cosmetics and the hand soap in the same transaction. This subtotal, let's see my math here. This subtotal $22.98. Pay 48 cents out of pocket, got $11 back, making it only $5.48 for the two Jawa Cosmetics and the three soft soap, hand soap. So I used 3 of the 50 cents off one coupon that I got from the soft soap website. I had a 5 off a 10 Jawa CRT. Here I roll $8 in extra bucks, paid 48 cents out of pocket. Let's see if and here I got the $3 back for doing the hand soap, and I got the $8 back for doing the Jawa. Now this final transaction, there's no extra buck back, but it was too good for me to leave it alone. So I used to get like 6 off a 30 Hallmark, 5 off a 30, and I'm like, nobody ain't buying $30 worth of Hallmark card. I'm only buying Hallmark products if it's free. Now I know I had 2 4 off a 8 CRT on my account. I saw that Saturday. When I woke up Sunday morning, guess what? 2 more rebate popped in just like that. 2 more CRTs. So in all, I had 4 of the buy 8, say $4. I have 4 of those. So I'm like, okay, since I have 4, I'm going to utilize that with the 6 off a 30. So what I did, I purchased these tissue paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 or 7. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 7 tissue paper. 7 of them. These are $1.99 each. Then I got these. Let me spin it around. Where is the price? Okay, it's down here. Okay, believe me, guys, if I tell you they were $4.99. Okay, come on, there you go, $4.99. So I have this one, and this one. $4.99 each. So I have 3 of those. So that's subtotal $30.89. So that put me right at the mark for me to use the spend 30, get $6 off. So let's talk through the receipt. So here it is, $1.99 7 times, and those tissue, not tissue, those gift wrap. I don't know why it rang up as tissue. Those were not tissue. I don't know why it rang up as tissue, but they were $4.99. So here I have the 6 off of 30, and here are the 4 off of 8 CRT. Now you might be saying why I use the 4 off of 8. This 4 off of 8. This says 4 off of $8. As a matter of fact, I don't see why this says $8. This was 8, or maybe I was reading it wrong. So I was able to put all of this together. If there was a dollar figure attached to all of these, then you know I had to spend $28 here and $30 here. But because there wasn't any dollar amount added, it's just 8, the quantity of 8, not $8, quantity of 8. So I'm like, okay, let me utilize the 6 off of 30. So I did that. I used a $2 extra buck that I got on my card that was going to expire yesterday, 45 cents from that 2% cashback, and I paid with $2 in extra buck. That lead me to pay $4.48 out of pocket. I got nothing back. But if you look at how you get 3 gift papers and a 7 tissue for $4 and change, this is absolutely amazing. I am thinking next week there might be a Hallmark deal, but I'm like, next week gonna provide for itself. I'm only doing this right now because 2 of those XCRTs would have been expired on Sunday, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna let that go to waste. Let me do it right now. Next week, if I get another CRT, then I have to work with that. So as I said, this is just a small transaction that I did. I know there are other deals out there, but one more thing, that Dove CRT that you guys got last week, that $2 Dove CRT, it is not attaching to the what do you call it, the Dove Love. It's attaching to the body polish, and it's attaching to the regular Dove, not the Dove Love. My store was out of the regular Dove, so I was like, let's call it a day. All right, so with that being said, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you guys will stick around, but don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you first will be notified. And of course, my returning subscribers, I want to thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. With that being said, guys, today's Monday. I hope you have a safe and productive week, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.